Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Matthew from Cardamone Diamond Company. So today, what do we got to, we're going to be talking about, this is actually one of my favorites. We're going to be talking about maintenance of jewelry. Now, what do I mean when I say that? How do you keep them clean? Now, you're always welcome to bring it to me, and I'm happy to clean jewelry for free. Anything that I've made, you bring it back to me free of charge. I'll make it look really good. And a lot of the way by doing that, by having that commercial equipment, it really does a great job cleaning. Just if you're curious what the professionals use, I have a Jewerly ultrasonic machine. The thing does an incredible job. It was only a few $100s. I mean, if there's women out there that actually have a lot of jewelry. It's a great investment, I think. But like I said, it's something I'm happy to do. And then the other thing, if any of you out there have like a fancier coffee maker that does espresso as well, you know the steam wand for the milk, it's very similar to that, but steam, high pressure steam also does a great job of cleaning jewelry. So, but at home, one of the things that I recommend, and honestly, this is what I do when I'm traveling to keep my jewelry clean, and it does a great job. But all that you need to do is, if you have any old toothbrushes, all that you really need is the toothbrush, a little bit of hand soap. People ask me if you can use dish soap. You can. Some dish soaps contain ammonia and harsher detergents that really aren't necessary, and especially if your jewelry has other stones, other precious stones like emeralds or sapphires, rubies, those other precious gems, you really want to try and avoid exposing those things to harsher chemicals because they're softer stones. Now, even though diamonds themselves won't be damaged by them, it's really not necessary to use it. So the basic recipe that I tell people to do is warm water. You don't need hot water, but warm water is definitely helpful. The nylon brush and hand soap. And you pretty much, if you imagine like, if you've ever brushed like a niece, nephew, or a child's teeth, how you kind of go up and down and side to side and do like little circular motions. The important thing when it comes to diamond jewelry, especially like engagement rings, you want to clean those lower pavilion facets. Essentially from the girdle down is really where you want to try and get those bristles in there, and you'll see it. It'll be like what it looked like when you first got it. And I know a lot of people are concerned about clarity when they're looking at diamonds and buying them, as it's important. I mean, it's gonna give you that sparkle factor, but then they don't do much for keeping them clean, and then they look dull over time. And what makes them dull? This can be a little gross for some people, but it happens to all of us. You pretty much get the oils from your hands, residual soap, and dead skin. And and that creates like a putty, schmutz, whatever you want to call it, and that's what collects underneath diamonds, a lot of engagement rings. And you clean that stuff out of there, and like I said, those nylon bristles, they won't even hurt the gold. It really just does a good job of cleaning everything up, and it won't mar or damage anything. And so that's it. So that's what I recommended. Or like I said, if you guys want to invest in the professional stuff, it's a Jewerly ultrasonic cleaner. You can reach out to me for my recipe. There's a commercial detergent that I use, but there are at-home remedies. I'm sure if you look around online that you can find them. But anyway, questions, comments, please leave them below. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.